Good morning to all of you. Now, this is the screen I am getting as a student. So, whenever I'll open, I'll get this kind of a window and the task and the assignment that I had got. Now, you see this task in the pending assignment homework and quizzes will be present here. Whenever I'll start something, it will show as an in progress, and the one which I had not started, it will show me as a not started. And if anything is given by the teacher which is not displayed right now right here, that one referred to as an that it will come on a later date. Suppose teachers has given the task on a later date, that means on the 20th itself the any quiz will be there, so it will display on the day of the 20th at a particular moment. So here is the my main screen, and whatever I have to get, I'll get from here. Now, first one, I'll start as an periodic test for mathematics. This is the test that supposed to happen right now. So what I'll do, I'll start it, and what I'm doing, you see, whenever I had started it, it shows me important you have 50 minutes, because the 50 minutes time is set by this teacher, respective teacher. So it's a 50 minutes time. Now here is the top of it, back button, forward button. So I'll start the quiz. So you see the back timer had started. I'll choose my questions, answers on it, and as soon as I choose my question, I'll click on the submit button. As soon as I click on the submit button, it will go to the next question, right? It will go to the next question. Next I'll do this thing. I'll again come to the next. Suppose this one I want to skip it. So what I'll do, I click on the next button, the top of it. So I had not attended the question number 3, so I can skip it. If I don't want to attend this one also, I can also skip it. Suppose this one I know, I'll give it as an answer and click on the submit. Now again I want to attend the question number 3 and 4 which I had skipped. So what I'll do, I'll click on the back button. So once you have selected any particular questions answers, see, you cannot change anything over here. So click on the back button. So these questions I had not attended, I had not answered anything over here. So what I'll do, I'll answer it and click on the submit button. Okay, now this is another menu option. If you click here, you can see that what are the questions that you have answered, right? It will just show a strike through. The questions that was answered, it will show you a strike through, right? See, I had not attended the question number 3. So what I'll do, I'll just click here. I can go directly from here to the question number 3, or I can also click on the back button. So I had answered it, click on the submit. Then I can go to the another questions. So total 12 questions are there. I had to submit each and everything. I'm just pressing it randomly, so I had a time also, sorry. I just, you see, whenever you have gone into an back button, you have not by mistake, suppose you have logged out, so if you have a time, you can still attend it. See, up to 5 I had just done it. Now if I have the time, now here it is showing total time remaining. So suppose your mobile if will go down, if your something like that may happen, suppose falling from the mobile or network connectivity there, problem is there, you can still attend if you have the time. But if you have the very short time, you cannot attend. If the timer stops, your examination will also stop. So here I am going to again attend and click on the submit. This one is already attended by me. So let's check question number 8. Again I am submitting it. Question number 9. Again I am submitting it. Question number 10. Actually I had to, in hurry I had now. Again I click on submit. So this one I got 11. Then I click on next. So here is my last question. I'll click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, it will show you the thank you, right? This page should have to come after you finished all this. Total points achieved 6 out of 20 I had achieved. Total number of question is 12 is there. Sorry, 9 is incorrectly answered. So I have not done it in a timely manner, so it will be there. So this is my final marks, and this should come whenever you are submitting it. And if you want to see if you have missed out anything or not, you can see it right from here by clicking on this particular button. Okay, so after doing this, what I'll do, I'll just go and turn back. See, that one is not here. The straight test that I had started, it's not here because I had finished it. So whenever something you have finished from here, it will go down. But something which you have started but not finished it, then it will appear here. If it is gone, that means if it is completed, that means you have done it, right? So this is the basic window. So after that we are having a lot of things, so it will come in the next video. So this is the way that you should or you can attend the questionnaire. Thank you.